Sziasztok!
Sziasztok!
Hello everyone, again it's us.
It's our second kindergarten video, and for today we prepared a little bit with animals.
Yes, and we prepared a color and animal. I hope it will be better for you to learn.
And so we can repeat the colors from the previous video, and we can maybe remember the animals easier with the colors.
Yeah. Okay, I can start. First of all, first animal, pig and pink pig.
So you see it somewhere here,
Yes.
I guess. Then we have a red sheep. You know the sheep already.
Yeah. And third one, brown dog.
The next one is the yellow duck.
And next one, blue cat.
Then we have a white cow.
And brown horse. I think it's enough for you for a
Yeah.
really simple animal. And I hope you will like it or you will try to draw something, some animal, and it will be great for us.
Yeah, you can of course send us the when you draw animals, you can send us on Facebook. We would like to see your drawings.
Yes.
We prepared a little song for you
Mhm.
where we want to mention all the animals we learned.
Yeah. Just start.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neck, neck here and a neck, neck there, here a neck, there a neck, everywhere a neck, neck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a meh-meh here and a meh-meh there, here a meh, there a meh, everywhere a meh-meh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there, here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. with a wow wow here and a wow wow there. Here a wow, there a wow, everywhere a wow wow. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Yay!
Yay!
Just let us know to comment or picture. Just send us because we are wondering.
Yeah, we are wondering if you like it and sing it and learn something from our videos.
Yes. See you.
Bye. See
Bye.
you.
Siesto.